We're going to do a quick unboxing of the gas struts for the upper cabinets. And there's 6 in a box. They're a 22-pound. Let's see, the instruction says, do not use lubricating oil or similar things that can interrupt the reaction of the gas springs. Please put the fixing plates well aligned on the stuff. Well aligned on the stuff. Okay. So we have a strut here, and we'll get out the hardware. 4 screws in there. I'll set those aside. Okay, so we have 2 pieces of hardware here. We have, both of them have a ball on them. The one with the wide here, that will pop into the top part of the strut, and the strut will go onto the cabinet this way. And the circular one will go on the bottom, and that'll pop in there when it's ready to go in. Okay, so here we go. We have the door propped open to the 90 degree. Take a piece of blue tape and I line it up so that this line corresponds with this edge right here, so that I know when I get my strut in there that it's not gonna bump into the wall or anything. So that's the first thing I'm gonna do. There's my strut. Okay. Second thing you do is you measure back from the edge, this edge right here, and you go 2 3/4 inches, and you make a mark. That's gonna correspond with this center mark right here. Make a mark in the middle of each one of these oblong holes, and to that I will pre-drill a small hole. Don't go too far or you'll go right through your cupboard door. I think these are stainless screws. So we'll go ahead and we'll put the first one in, and I just push it up with my thumb and it'll hold it in place. There we go. Now we're going to go ahead and put on the strut. This end pivots around, and this is your this is how you can adjust it. So we'll go ahead and we'll pop it on. Sometimes it's hard to get this on, and sometimes it pops on right away. So this one's going to be a hard one. Come on. There. Okay. Okay, from there, this is the second piece, the covered piece, and so what I'm going to do is I'm going to get this as close as I can. There we go. Okay, so I'm going to position this. I'm not going to pop it into that, but I'm going to position it and make sure that my strut indeed does miss the wall, and it does. The way I have this set up, it would be easier if I were left-handed. Okay, let's pre-drill those holes. There we go. Okay, now this will pop right on, but if it didn't, you could unscrew this and it will go down or up the shaft there, and so you have a little bit of adjustment there. Like that, and it'll slip right in. I'll take down the brace, and it works just like that. Yep. Let me give you a quick walk down. So here's the blue tape, and when I put that in, I made sure that that strut was going to miss it all the way down. Then here I just had this one by, let me get you in here real quick. And I just had this one by, and so I could only use 2 of the 3 holes to secure it. I think the other ones I'm going to be able to use all 3 holes on it, but this particular one, I guess I didn't think through. Today I'm going to show you how I made the upper cabinets on my Promaster 2017 159 wheelbase. I've never done anything like this before, so I'm really pretty proud of myself. Let me show you how I did it.